various things. Okay, this is some gold and silver.
Okay.
And I kind of identified that, and unless someone mixed them up, and then just $3 each.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So the gold. These all have numbers on them.
Yes.
So
I
that's
see that.
yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is all gold and silver in here, and then this is. I think that looks quite real.
It does.
$3 each in this one. Might be spending a lot of money here. This one's gold, so I wonder if that's
Diamonds.
yeah. But I can't. Let's take it out of here so I can see. 14K. That's nice.
Yeah.
For $10.
Should grab that.
Yeah, I think so. $10
Like, I mean, I would just grab it all. You know?
See, like, well, it's $10. Like this bracelet's $10.
Oh, I gotcha.
Oh, and this is for charms. Oh, that's pretty.
You don't even have to go that far. But just check the two signs. It should be.
I think it's marked on the loop.
Okay.
Oh, that one's really pretty. Yeah. What's that? What's a pendant and earrings? Your mother would like that, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that neat?
Silver.
Wow, shiny. You can spin the wad here.
And 5. Okay. And any other of these? It says 10. Did you write it down? Yeah. Okay. 7.
I know.
7. No?
You can close up after we've left.
7 for that?
Yeah. Yeah. 7. 7. You don't worry about things though. 7.
Calculated.
7.
Do we take Visa?
L. Please.
Wonderful.
Good. Thanks.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
guys. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Have a good day. Hope you sell everything.
Okay, thanks, bud.
Aw.
Yeah, they're nice.
Oh my goodness, that was an excellent sale. I was so excited. There was so much jewelry, and it was all good stuff. Like this one's a little bit bent, but it's sterling. It's pretty weighty. Has kind of a rope design.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's not hollow.
No.
That's solid silver.
Yep. This is pretty. I don't know what the stone is in there, but it's like almost like iridescent. Like if you turn it, look at it, it's almost lenticular.
Yeah.
So this one is marked 925 on the back. But I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but it's really quite a lovely stone. And then yeah, there's the mark right at the very top. And now this is a bracelet. It might be gold, like the class. Oh, there it is marked 10K. So those are likely real pearls then, because they're all knotted, which takes extra time. They don't usually do that with fake, but they sometimes do. So don't totally rely on that, but it just takes more time to knot in between. And then that way, if you ever break it, they don't just like all your pearls just go rolling away. So that's why they do that. But yeah, it's quite pretty. This is quite stunning. So it's earrings and a pendant. It's sterling. Look at it. Isn't that cool? Like I'm trying to get the sun on it so you can see all the really nice bright colors. And like look how thick it is. Like it's just a nice big chunky cool piece. It has the earrings that match it. This is really nice too. So I don't know if those are rubies or garnets. But that's a really pretty one. 925. It's heavy.
Yeah, it is. Oh my God.
But like
It's the never-ending pile of jewelry.
literally like just this would have been what we paid for everything.
Yeah.
Right? If you had to buy it from a store or whatever. So this is marked 10K. And then there's this one. It's marked 10K, I think, or 14K. And this is really cute. This one's gold as well. It's charm holders, so then you have your other charms hanging from there. You can have several. Super cute. And this one, I can't wait to test this one. See if those are diamonds, because that's gold.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's marked 10, I think 10K or 14K. Can't tell in here, but I'm hoping that those are diamonds. Like, that would be nice. Even if they're not, it's quite pretty.
Go down, put it down into that chute, then you take some more.
Yes.
Jewelry. Lots of jewelry today. I haven't really bought any, but lots to look at, eh?
Oh yeah.
That one's gold. 10K. Looks like it's tri-gold.
Wow. It's big too.
It's not that weighty though.
Oh.
But what do you think? For $3 probably, eh?
Oh yeah. I think so.
Okay, hold that. Sure. Do you think you'd go 2 on it? Sure.
Thanks.
Thank you. So she seems to think it's not, but I'm sure it is, just because it's very, very light. Like, these loops are hollow.
Well, it's marked 10K, you said.
Mm-hmm. See, and it has that, remember I saw that special shaped loop. This one, that is it's not always the case, but look for that. And it says 10K on it.
Yeah. No, it's gold.
So
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello.
is there a price on the jewelry?
50 cents for earrings.
Okay. I'm gonna come over to that side. I don't know why I'm doing it from this side. It'd be difficult. Oh yeah, okay. But these ones I think are gold and diamonds. So we'll get those. Here, can you hold that? I'm not sure about these, but for 50 cents, I'll take a chance.
You can just rub on your teeth right now?
No, I thought you were going to. Just the 2 pairs of earrings.
That's good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi. So you see, you guys have kept the tattoo business in.
Yeah.
Right? Spent a couple dollars on that.
Yeah. It's you know.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, just amazing. Yeah. Talk to Sue later.
Why do they all look different? Or do they all look different? That looks homemade. It's interesting.
They look natural to me.
Yeah, I know. With the circles?
Yeah. Well, and with the lines in them and stuff. Or is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks legit.
Placed the phone twice. I was gonna go. I thought it was still on. I said,
No 2 look identical.
they would upgrade it. And if they didn't have that same phone, they would upgrade it for it was,
3. I think we'd take a chance for $3, eh? With all those pearls. I don't know. Does it feel heavy enough? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's got weight.
Oh, that's not an elastic. Pretty sure that's a giveaway. That's a giveaway, ladies and gentlemen. That just the 1 bracelet for me.
$12 if you only buy 1.
What?
Well, okay, 3.
Would you take 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Have a good one.
What a nice man.
Yeah. Nice guy. Yeah. Oh, and the camera's off.
Well, he's Canadian, so that's how we roll.
Yeah, show the camera. That looks all legit to me.
It looks like made, but they look at how they're all. I don't know if it'll show up very well, but how they're all different.
Yeah, and they look like organic, like it, not like plastic beads, but you've got.
And they're all different colors, kind of.
You can see
And
layers on some of them.
yeah, like this one. Morning.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Good. Well, not a whole lot in the north this morning. Yeah, with August there haven't
Look at that.
Wow. Hey.
Somebody make that or what? Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
made.
Yeah. Homemade jewelry.
Wow, $1? Is that supposed to be on there?
I know.
It's pretty nice, don't you think?
Yeah. For $1.
Yeah, seriously. Did you make this?
No.
Oh.
Where the heck that thing came from?
It's very interesting. I like
funky.
it. It is.
It's probably itchy as hell.
We shall see. Might be a gift. Yeah.
Hi. How are you? Good.
Good morning. Sorry, I didn't mean to sneak up on you.
Some things aren't priced because I never got that far. Huh?
Oh, look at this little ring box. Oh. That looks real. Oh no, I don't think it is. Hey guy in the light.
Hey, that's me.
Oh, that's from Avon.
Okay.
I don't know why she gave it to me. I knew I didn't wear things on my fingers anymore. But I thought it was cute.
It is cute. The box is really cute.
Yeah.
How much is your jewelry?
Depends on what it is.
For that?
$1 for that.
Okay.
That's an Avon watch too. It just needs a new battery.
Yeah, I could get this just because I really like the box.
Oh yeah, it's neat, eh?
Yeah, it's very old style. Just that for me, thank you.
What did you get? It's
Hello.
a ring I got from
Yeah.
from Avon.
Have a good day. Thank you. A little closer.
Yeah. Okay. We got a little ring.
Look at the box. Look at that little latch on there. It's so cute.
You mostly got it for the box.
It's sterling.
Is it?
I think those might be diamonds in there. To be honest, it's sterling ring.
Might have to check that when we get home.
It's quite pretty. It's quite tarnished. I knew it wasn't gold because it was so tarnished, but just the way they're set in there. Okay, we're going to test the ring. Remember when I got that? This one. Alright, so these are really small diamonds, so you have to set it according to the back. There's the temperature here, and then the size here. So we're going to set ours to a 6. And then you have to put your thumb on this metal piece for conductivity. And then, so it kind of covers the part where, so if I hold like that, can you see?
Yep.
Okay. So now it's, might hit the metal, so it might make a brrr, and that's not right. You just have to watch. The lights will go up to the end here if it is a diamond.
Oh my goodness.
So they are diamonds.
Those are diamonds.